Okay, here comes Coco. Oop, almost went. There went Coco, almost. But she made it. Now here comes Sammy. Whoop. There you go. You guys are doing good. Woo! There goes Sammy. He's a speed demon. There goes Coco. She's not a speed demon yet. There goes Clayton. He's on his walker. But he's doing good. Whoop, whoop, whoop. He's got noodle legs. But he's getting there. And down goes Clayton.
Come on, baby. Get up. That would hurt if I felt like you fell.
Yeah. And you will fall. That's the whole point. You can do it, Clayton. You can do it.
It was like wet.
Yeah, well, you know, ice, when you apply friction to it?
It was like wet like that, right there.
Oh, okay.
It was melting.
You can do it, Clayton. Clayton's trying to get up. Here comes Timmy. He's way over there against the wall. And Clayton's up. He's up.
I'm going again.
And there comes Sammy around the wall. Coco's going to go again. And Clayton's down again.
Away it goes.
You can do it, big boy. Yes, dear? Now turn around. Use the bars to help yourself up. Use the bars. You can do it. And there goes Sammy. Hi, Sammy. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
You're good on those skates. Honey, I don't think Sammy can help you up. You're probably overbalancing.